So you have three piece of junks. We got a piece of crap right here. I think that's also a what is it? A Dodge Neon. And then you have a Saturn Ion. And then another, is that a Cobalt? Is that a Cobalt? I know the other one is a, I can't see, I can't tell. I can't tell what card that is, but I know that one is a Saturn Ion, and then the other one is a Cobalt, and then the other one is it's gotta be. Yeah, I think I'm right. That is a Dodge Neon. So you have three shitty cars trying to think like they're the shit, like they own the freeway. You don't own shit with your piece of crap.